In today's experiment, we are going to design and implement the full adder by using this decoder IC, that is 74LS138. So for that we have to first draw this truth table for the full adder, in which we are using the three input A, B and C in, and sum and the carry are the two outputs. So this is the truth table, you can check over here. After plotting or drawing this truth table, we are getting the main terms for the sum are y1, y2, y4 and the y7. So y1, y2, y4 and y7, these are the main terms for the sum. In similar fashion, main terms for the carry are 3, 5, 6 and the 7. So accordingly you have to connect these main terms at the output of your decoder, which is 74LS138. So before moving, we have to check the 74LS. We are having the three inputs A0, A1 and A2. A0 is pin number 1, 2 and 3. 4 and 5 are the enable bar pins. These are the active low. So that's why these are connected to the ground. And pin number 6, it is again the enable pin. So we have to connect it to the VCC. Sorry, it's not a ground. You have to connect it to the VCC, not ground. Okay. So pin number 6 is to the VCC, 8 is ground and 16 is VCC. Accordingly, we have to connect the main term sum is equal to 1, that is y1. We have to connect to the one of the NAND gate, that is we are using 7420 NAND gate. y1 which is available at pin number 14. Second y2 available at pin number 13. y4 it is available at pin number 11. And y7 pin number it is available at pin number 7. And output of this NAND gate you have to consider it as the sum. In similar fashion, y3 it is connected to the one of the NAND gate input, that is 12. y5 it is at the pin number 10. You have to connect it to the another input of the NAND gate. y6 it is connected to the, that is pin number 9. It is connected to the another input of NAND gate. And y7, that is pin number 7, again connected to the one of the NAND gate. Here we are using the 4 input 7420 NAND gate IC. This is the sum and the carry. So let us implement on the kit. So here we are having the 16. This is, as it is the 8 pin, we have to connect the pin number 8 to the ground. As this is 8, this one 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 16 you have to connect it to the VCC. Done. Next you have to check, short the pin number 4 and 5. Short the pin number 4 and 5 and connect it to the ground. Then pin number 6 you have to connect it to the VCC. Second thing, you have to mention the inputs A0 from the input section at the pin number 1. A1 which is available at pin number 2 of the 74LS13 IC. A2 it is available at pin number 3. So you have to connect at the pin number 3 of the decoder IC. Okay. So these are the input section and we have to connect. This is our NAND gate IC. Now let us connect its VCC and ground connection. 7 pin number it is connected to ground. Pin number 14 it is connected to VCC. Then, so this is the ground and the VCC connection for 7420 IC. Now let us connect the sum and the carry output. So sum y1 which is available at pin number 14, that is 16, 15 and 14. You have to connect the input of that NAND gate, that is pin number 1. Second y2 which is available at pin number 13. This is 16, 15, 14. 13 you have to connect the pin number 2 of this NAND IC. As we are using the 7420 IC, pin number 3 you are having no connection for that pin number 3, so you have to keep as it is. Next y4 which is available at pin number 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11 you have to connect to the pin number 4, because pin number 3 there is no connection, so left as it is. Next pin number 7, y7 you have to connect to the pin number 7. Here it is the 7 and connect it to the pin number 5. And at the pin number 6 you are having the output, and that output you have to take it as the sum. This is our output sum. Now let us do the connection for that carry. So carry, you are having the first main term 3, that is we have to connect it to the y3 which is available at pin number 12. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You have to connect it to the pin number of 13. Next you have to connect Wi-Fi, that is 10, 8, 9 and 10 number of decoder IC. You have to connect it to the 12 pin number, that is second Y6, which is available at pin number 9, and you have to connect as pin number 7, 11. You can check this is the pin number 11, where you are having no connection, as this is the 14, 13, 12 and 11. At that side you are having the no connection, so keep as it is, and you have to give the next input to the pin number 10, as this is 7, 8, 9 and the 10. And next input, that is you have to take it from the pin number 7, that is next main term is 7, and you have to take it from the 7 number and connect it to the pin number 9, 7, 8 and 9. And output, it is available at pin number 8 of that NAND gate IC, and you have to consider it as the carry over here. So these are the connections. Let us check the output. So this is the connection for the full ladder, and let us check the output. So all these are 0, 0. This is our sum, as we are putting 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. For the 2, sum is 1, carry 0. For 3, sum 0, carry 1. And for 4, sum 1, carry 0. For 5, sum 0, carry 1. If we apply the 6, 1, 1, 0, the sum is again 0 and the carry 1. And for triple 1, sum 1, carry 1. So this is the implementation of full ladder. In same way you can implement the full subtractor as well as the code converter, that is binary to gray and gray to binary also.